This is another Lego combination lock safe that I built. The door swings open. And of course, what's inside, if I can get it out, is another safe. And inside that is the Lego treasure. Hooray! So, this safe, the whole lock mechanism is contained within the door itself. You can see as you turn the wheel, the 3 deadbolts start to move. So the idea is you get the lowest one all the way in, and the next one, and the next one, and then they fit into these 3 grooves. I use these smooth cylindrical pieces and these 1-dot light pieces to give it a little extra leeway that it needs, because the deadbolts don't actually fit all the way inside the door. They stick out a little, and that's why I added on this this whole section of the door so that you can't see the deadbolts moving, because that would kind of defeat the purpose, I think. And that's about it. I'll try to make another video going into detail about the mechanism inside the door. Thanks for watching.